Hello, today we'll be comparing Proctor Silex coffee maker versus SHARDOR single serve coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options: SHARDOR is better, capacity Proctor is better, material built is tie, brew range control is tie, programmable features are tie, water reservoir Proctor is better, keep farm function Proctor is better, after shut off is tie, grinder is tie, milk frother is tie, dimensions SHARDOR is better, ease of cleaning SHARDOR is better, care type Proctor is better, compatibility SHARDOR is better, price Proctor is better, special features SHARDOR is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the SHARDOR single serve coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.